This video is about how to take value from select fields. There is a value field. Its code has a sharp reference to the select field. To this field. As you can see, this way takes the value of the field, its base, but not the display. The same value is taken by the select function. For example, let's duplicate this. Let's make 35 here, call it value 2, and replace hselect here with this reference. Select to the current table now table name, hselect. OK and delete, save. And we already have such a field. We need to clear the value here, click, it will update. And here we get the value 2 field. The value is taken in a different way, through the select function, but we still see the value of the field here. So how do we take exactly the display? Here I will create a field. Insert after. Title 1. OK. The thing is, we need to do a select not from this table that we're in, but from the one that's the source table. So we're doing a select from the values for select table. We take the field title. We want to take where the id, if it's a standard select, or the field that's base field. We have it called base field, equals the value of that select field. We have it called hselect. Here it is. Order is not needed here. Delete it. Save. Save. And there it is. Here's the mango very high quality. Only in this code we take the str field as a display. And here we take the title field. If we change the title here to str we get exactly the same value. Save. Here we have been updated. And here we have the mango very high quality fruit bee. Sometimes it can be a bother to search. Let me duplicate it. Next sort 60. htitle 2. Save. Sometimes it can be a hassle to look up the source table. Just want to somehow refer to hselect and immediately get its display. To not bother with any additional selects. This is done in the following way. Name of the field of the select type. In this case, the calculation of this field will recalculate the display of this select, and the resulting value will be taken here. This is a heavy operation. That is, if you have a very large and difficult to calculate select here, it will be calculated not only here, but here too. For printing, sending emails, and one-time notifications, this is handy and used quite extensively. It is also possible when we take from this select with the select function. The select function and the select field are different things. There might be a little bit of mixing up, but I'm sure you'll catch on. When we take the value of the select function, like here, in the value field 2, I duplicate it, it's title 3. Let's make it sort 70, it's title 3. We have a function here. Here it is. Select, now table name, field, h_select. And we in this way, as we know, take a value, not a display. But we can take the display by putting s field instead of field. OK, save, and here it will execute select, but when it executes, it will calculate the display of the field type select and this is where the display will be taken. Once again, do not overuse the s_point and s_field methods because they are very loaded. It is advisable to use them in the rarest cases, when you are very lazy, because this way, as shown in Title 1, when we take a select directly from that table, we take a specific value, there is a short query to the database, not calculated a huge select, and it is significantly more optimal. Keep that in mind. Now here's the next story. We have some values here in select in row. They're taken from the values for select table. And we have some values 1, values 2 here. We want to take them in a field, for example, let's call it price, it will be a number. Suppose it's money and is dollars, and we put that icon before the value. OK, here we have this field with dollars. and now we want to take value 2 here automatically by code based on the values selected in select in row 2.
Сюда автоматически кодом на основании вот выбранных в select in row 2 значений. Значения у нас здесь.
The values we have here are ids. What are we doing? We do a select code. A select from the values for select table. We take value 2. Here it is. Where id equals this select in row 2. The specific value, the order doesn't matter. We save it. Since it's a simple table, we need to recalculate the rows there. We recalculate, and here it is calculated with this. In general, everything is simple. That is, we take with select a value based on those values that we have stored in the select field. Practice and move on to the next video.